So today we are making catapults. We have everything that we need here: a plastic spoon, popsicle sticks. You can use anything to toss, and rubber bands. First things first, here's what it looks like when it's all completed. And you can put your anything light, we're using these, and you press it down and watch how far it goes. You can have contests to see who can get it into the different buckets. You can see how far they could go, how high they can go. You can try lots of different things. You want to start with about 5 sticks and wrap them together on both ends with a rubber band. And after you do that, both ends, you get 2 other sticks, put one on either side like this, and wrap just one side. Now you're almost done. You can color the sticks to make them pretty. You can decorate them with stickers. We were going to try and have a contest to see if we could fill the leprechaun's bowls with this stick. So try that with a sibling if you'd like. Last but not least, you put your spoon on, and you can attach that with another rubber band, just going around each side so that it's secure. And that's all it takes, probably just a minute of your time. And you put it in. You can do it with your hand, holding up. You can get a really good one with that. Just press it down as far as you can and see where it goes. There you go. I hope you have fun making catapults.